everybody, it's me, Miss You, and we are now going to be doing our multi-view and adding our dimensions to the multi-view. So we're going to go to the plus sign in the bottom left corner, and you're going to go create drawing, and you'll go okay. We're going to select the part, and I'd like to spread these out nicely so we have plenty of room. We have the front view, the top view, the right view, and the isometric view. We're going to start off by deselecting the projected view. Then you're going to go back to the isometric. We're going to right click and we're going to go show, hide, shaded view, and we're all set. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to look for the hidden lines. So you're going to hover over the front view. We're going to right click, show, hide, hidden lines. And to the right view, show, hide, hidden lines. Okay. Once there's no hidden lines for the top view, so we're just going to continue and we're going to mark up the circles until we get all the center lines and center points. We're going to go to the center mark and then you're just going to tap the outside of the circle and there it is. And now we're going to go to edge center line for the hidden lines. So I have one hidden line, another hidden line, one hidden line, another hidden line. Great. And the next step that we're going to do is we have to do the center lines across the circle. So here's one, here's two, and we just deselected the center line and our sketch is starting to look good. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start off with the dimensions. And what we want to try to avoid, there's a lot of numbers here, is crossing of extension lines. So I'm going to go 3. I'm going to give myself plenty of space. And now I'm going to go do 1.5 over here. And I'll do 1.5 or 1 over here. Okay. So we just finished our first shape. And for our second, I'm going to do it across the bottom, again, to avoid the crossing of extension lines. So we're going to do it from the top view. I'm going to start off with the overall width. And that's 3.5. Then I'm going to go to the next one. That's 2. And I'm going to go to the last one. That's 1. And this one in between is not, I did not dimension because we could figure it out. Okay. But we do need to position the circle, which is 1 inch from the edge and 0.75 inches from the back. Okay. So now I'm going to do the depth. We already have one dimension of depth, and that is positioning of the circle. I'm still on, and I'm going to do the overall depth, which of course is 2.5. And now I'm going to do the different steps. Okay. And I believe this should cover it all because all that's left is 0.75 of the circle. So this is 0.5, that's 0.5, and of course we could subtract, that's 1.5. The last thing that needs to be dimensioned is the circle. So all you have to do is touch it, and we want to bring it out of the way. It shows us the diameter, and of course it's 1 inch. And we managed to get everything on 2 drawings. So I'm going to exit dimensions, exit here, and I'm going to delete it. And this is our fully dimensioned sketch.